In front of me is Motorola Razr 4G Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. You need to begin by opening Moto app. Now select those three lines at the top left corner and tap on Personalize. Then, if you never used this option before, click on Allow in the pop-up and click on Fonts category. Finally, select the best font style for you, and in order to apply it, click on it. I will go with this one. So when I click and go back, I can see that style of my text has changed. If you wish to go back to your default one, just access the same settings and click on Default at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!